Jasper. Hey. You want some leche? Do you want some leche? I'm getting the leche. Cute little turd. Yeah. I'm getting the leche. Oh, isn't he cute? Are you cute? Are you gonna shut the fridge? Did you shut the fridge? He shut the fridge. Oh, what a good boy. The milk's not in there yet. Did he? You want some leche? Leche? Yeah? Here you go. Drink a leche. Now you don't even want it. Huh? He's so cute. Jasper, hey. Hey. Say bye-bye.